hi, baby. Yay! We got it on a video. Are we going to show everybody how good you are at rolling over? Or are we going to show everybody, say, these are my cloth types. These are my cloth types. I love them. Do you? Oh, and we're drooling. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Let's push you back over. Yeah. We're a big boy. We're so big. Are we going to do it again?
In January 1997, execs at Disney and ABC finally gave DeGeneres their blessing. Ellen shared the news with castmates.
And she said, I had this dream last night, and I was in...
Yay! Look at you! You can go both ways! Yay! Let's show Grandma! Say hi, Grandma! Grandma and Grandpa and everybody. We're going to show everybody.